Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be using Aunt Jackie's products. So I went ahead and decided to wash my hair. I did not get in the shower this time, y'all. It's just too big of a mess. So I'm gonna just section my hair off, and the shampoo that I'm using from Aunt Jackie's is the Oh So Clean Moisturizing and Softening Shampoo, and it's enriched with shea butter and olive oil. So one thing that I noticed when I first applied the shampoo to my hair, it immediately lathers up. I know sometimes with shampoos I definitely have to shampoo my hair twice, but in this case I only shampooed my hair once. And the other thing is the shampoo is a very creamy consistency, which I like. So if you're looking for a creamy shampoo and something that lathers very well, then this is it. Okay, so I'm using the In Control Anti-Poof Moisturizing and Softening Conditioner, and it's also enriched with shea butter and olive oil. So I'm just using the praying hands method to ensure that I get all of the conditioner on my hair. Okay, so I'm using the Curl-tastic Wonder Brush to detangle my hair. If you have not purchased the brush yet, please go purchase the brush. It will change your detangling life. I'm more willing to detangle my hair now more than ever, so definitely go purchase that. Okay y'all, so I'm going to use my Glow by Daye deep conditioning cap. I don't like sitting under the dryer like that just because I don't like to. And so with the conditioning cap, I just leave it on my head for 30 minutes, and then I just rinse my hair out. Alright y'all, so this is the Quench leave-in conditioner, and it also has the shea butter and olive oil. So I'm just going through each section of my hair, and I'm going to apply the leave-in conditioner. Y'all see that bounce on my hair? Look at it. Just look at it. Okay, so anyway, I'm applying it all to my hair, and then once I apply the leave-in conditioner to all sections of my hair, then I'm going to just blow dry it out. Okay y'all, so this is the Don't Shrink Flexi Elongating Curling Gel, and so this is the only product that I use on my hair when I use the Flexi rods. I'm gonna go ahead, this is a disclaimer right here. I caught myself doing the corkscrew method when I was putting the Flexi rods on my hair, but I was struggling, and that's not what this is. This is not the corkscrew method. I don't know what method this is. So I suggest you not repeat what I'm doing. That's why I'm speeding it up, but my hair did turn out cute. Okay, so my only suggestion with taking out the Flexi rods, just be really gentle. You don't want to create any extra frizz with your hair. But as you separate your curls, just kind of twirl your curls around just to create some more definition and volume with your curls. And yeah, it should turn out cute. Alright y'all, these are my results. As you can see, my curls are just popping. So be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.